My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor, and I am a national expert in IRS tax resolution matters. I've worked about 10,000 cases. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, they're sweet, and they're to the point. And as a revenue officer, I've executed thousands of bank levies and wage garnishment levies. I know, ooh, me, I know. I want to talk to you today about the difference. There's a big difference between the wage garnishment levy and the IRS bank levy. So let me explain what they both are. IRS doesn't want a levy. You may think, well, that's not true. They're kind of mean, nasty. There's not a human hand touches those levies. They're sent out by the K2 computer system that IRS has. IRS knows where you've banked at and where you've worked for the last 6 years because third parties are required to report to IRS. You can find out who those people are by going to your IRS tax transcript and look at your IRS tax profile, and they will tell you where your wage and income, all that has been for the last 6 years. So let's look at the differences of the two. By the way, the IRS bank levy and wage garnishment are the two biggest resources and tools that IRS has to go ahead and wake the person up to call IRS and resolve the case. IRS only sends these out so A, they can collect money but close the case. They have to close all inventory cases out, and that's one of them. So if IRS sends you a 668A, that is a one-time levy to a bank. A 68A to anybody is a one-time levy. That levy is only good at the date, place, time, service. So if they sent that levy to a bank at 2:00 p.m., only the money is frozen in that bank account at 2 p.m. If you make a deposit at 3:30 p.m., that money is not frozen by IRS, and you can call your bank on that. They may not know, but that is the law. It's date, place, time, service. The bank has to hold that money for a 21-day period. They give you to the 22nd day before they go ahead and send the money to the Internal Revenue Service. You have 21 days to make yourself good and to call IRS. We can get levy releases in usually 48 hours. Wage garnishment levies are a little different. The wage garnishment levy comes in the form of a 668W. The difference is it's a continuous levy. It just goes over and over. They garnish and garnish until you go ahead and get the garnishment levy released by calling IRS and either having your case put in hardship, payment agreement status, or maybe even the filing of the offer and compromise. Will IRS do both? They can in egregious cases. Plus, they may be able to file a federal tax lien once they make notice and demand. You should never have cases come to this. However, many of you probably may have moved, and the next thing you know, your boss comes up and says, hey, I got to give IRS your paycheck. Generally, I can get those releases usually, like I said, within 48, 72 hours. The bank levy, at least you have the 21 days. At least know the difference. So if you think you're going to have an IRS debt, you got to stay on top of this. If IRS sends you a 1058, a final notice levy, you have 90 days before that IRS bank levy or wage garnishment levy comes out. You know, I do these for free. If you'd like to go ahead and give me a like or a subscribe, that would be fine. Or if you want me to talk about something you want to know within the parameters of this or another IRS question, I usually take your comments and I make YouTube videos on them. Thank you very much.